Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my Color Cast Designs Creativity Gorgeous box. So, I have not done much except for cut the tape. It says today's little moments become tomorrow's precious memories. So, because I have so many new albums that I've just gotten from Simply Gilded, you know I needed some stuff. So what I'm going to do is take all this out so we can look at it and I won't make a mess. Okay, famous last words, right? I want to say thank you to Jessica. She is such a kind person. She literally got me all set up. Was looking for a couple of extra things that she had sold out, and she was so kind. So, Jessica, if you're watching this, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah. All right, so I have the monthly kit, so I'm really, really excited. Oops, that's a piece of paper. Okay, so let's just go through this. So I ordered some extras of these beautiful flowers. I thought they were so cute. And with the bumblebee journal I'm going to be making, I thought these would be perfect, absolutely perfect. So I can't wait to play with those. Here are some miscellaneous. So what she does is she sells acrylic and wood veneer pieces, and I absolutely love them. They are so beautiful. She has subscriptions. You can buy by the piece. It is really amazing. So I have a subscription and I've bought a few things by the piece. So yeah. Okay, so let's see. This one says Happy Place. I love that. That's so pretty. And you're going to ask me, is this a part of the kit or is this a special order? I cannot remember. I've ordered a few things with her extras, so once I get the kits and get in the habit of them, I'll be glad to share. I think that these are just top of the line quality. I think it is totally worth the investment. They are just beautiful, and they work perfect in the drop sleeve. So I want to think this is a part of a kit. So this is all Snack Attack. It says, I think it's get in my belly. I think is what it says. Oh yeah, get in my belly. So then you have all these veneers of, all these little wood pieces of a grocery bag, hamburger, ice cream, fruit, all kinds of things. So really, really beautiful. If you're a storyteller for your family, which was what memory keeping is, these are just great launching points, and these are great titles. So this one says Adore You, and this one says Story of Us. So there's just a lot of things that are so helpful in your journaling. Yes, there's my January that I special ordered. Thank you, Jessica. I'm so excited. So, and then there's other things in here. It says love, best. Hold on, I can't see. Let me see here. So just so you can see what it looks like. Isn't that fun? I absolutely love that. So there's a January, and it says love these people. I love that. So just so you can see, some of them are thicker. These are very thin. So you can see those move. Love these people. Love you forever. So if you're looking for things that are more bulky, you can find that, and things that are more thin. So Outside Adventure. So I love that. Oh, these are sticky backed. Ooh, are they all sticky backed? Oh, they are. I know that's not. No. Okay. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Thank you, Jessica. So I think this may be an order, but I can't remember. So these are the top 5, and it gives you all kinds of things to journal with. So Lister's got a list. Top 5 family activities, top 5 binge-worthy shows, top 5, hold on, moments of all time, things like that. So super, super, super cute. Love it, love it, love it. And then this one says Weekend Stories. So I don't know how you guys do in your family, but for us, our weekends are always very busy. We never have just downtime. And because we've taken this week off post our vaccine, because we've been not feeling well, it's really weird. And so my husband went outside and started mowing right out of bed. And I was just like, what is he doing? And I've just come to recognize that it's become such a habit for us. We have acreage, we have gardens, we have animals, we have things we have to take care of. And everything needs to be watered. We were not needing to water because everything was getting rain, and all of a sudden in a week it's dried up. I think our last day to get rain was last Monday. So in a little bit we'll have to go out, water the porch. And actually I'm going to wait and do it in the morning. My husband's like, you need to water now. And I was like, in the morning. I don't water at night, because you can get disease and stuff like that. So I try to be really careful, at least where we live, and because we're so humid right now, so humid. But anyway, so the weekend stories are such a big part of who we are. And right now, as we're trying to finish up tax season, and I say it with as big a smile as I can, we are trying to finish up. It's one of those times in our lives that if I can get him working on taxes and then I stay with him, then I can work on these albums. And I love it. And if you're wondering what these albums are, these are just little mini albums that I get from Simply Gilded. And some of this will go back in here. I'll have some of these that I'm going to add in, and I just make these quick little albums, print off with my HP Sprocket. And then there you go. And I just think that for me right now, small mini projects are like the best thing. And these are just, as long as I cut my paper and have it pre-cut, I am done. I just literally load that paper, go, add my pictures, go for it. It is very simplified story keeping or memory keeping storytelling. And because I don't have a lot in here written yet, I just got today some white sticky back paper, all different sizes, which is not what I meant to order, but I can see where I can use that in my journaling. It'll be perfect. So I can take those little pieces of smaller sticky back squares and rectangles and whatnot, and just journal in my little albums, and it's going to be so much easier. So, and I can do that at night, and that's very therapeutic for me. It's very good, and I think that that's a good thing to do. So anyways, I love all this. Jessica, if you're watching this, thank you so, so much for my January. I'm so thrilled. Now I have January through, I think I have June. I've got to double check everything, but I'm super, super happy, and I couldn't be more pleased with the quality. So give her a chance. Go take a look at her website. It is Color Cast Designs, and that is literally, I'm trying to see if I can get, colorcastdesigns.com. So I will try to remember to link it below. I will also, before I post this, see if Jessica wants me to give, if she has any kind of discount I can give you guys. I'll be glad to do that. And I think I've asked her once before. I have to go back and be sure, because usually if I ask and they don't answer, I don't ask again, but I'll have to check. It's been so crazy. I can't remember which day it is, it seems like. But anyways, all right, friends, thanks so much for being here. I hope you're having a good day. It is nice and summery here, lots of sunshine, beautiful. If you got my quick note on the YouTube community message, I put a picture of a voluntary zinnia that popped up, and I didn't describe what voluntary means. Voluntary means that I planted them last year and they came back this year without any prompting, so I didn't have to replant. And it had been kind of a crazy week, and for a lot of different reasons. And I pulled in the driveway, and there it was in its full glory, about waist high, and it was in the midst of all of our vegetables. It wasn't where it was planted last year, and I was just like, thank you, God, I needed that. So it was so beautiful. So it makes me want to go plant some more zinnias. I love zinnias, and first time I ever planted them was last year. And so I planted them from seed, and they come up great, and if they don't, that's okay. But this one came up, and it was perfect timing, and it was absolutely glorious and beautiful, and that bloom will stay there the longest time, and what a gift. So I hope you guys enjoyed that picture. If you haven't seen it, go look at our community tab on this YouTube channel, and you can see it. And if you're not already, subscribe. Please subscribe. We'd love to have you. But also, if you hit that notification bell to the right of the subscribe, then those messages will come to you, and you'll be able to read them whenever I put an update or anything down. So, yeah. So, okay, friends, I'm going to let you go. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Tell me which one of these you like the most. Of course, I love the flowers every time. So, anyways, but I will like some of the other words I will love it for titles, for sure. Okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Please be safe. Take care. And I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Love you. Bye-bye.